Welcome to Success Strategies. I'm Joe Caruso, and today we're going to talk about the word team. I hear it bandied around often, several times a day, from people all over corporate America, from all over the country. My team, this team. Will you work with our team, Joe? Well, a team in corporate America usually is a group of subject matter experts. So most CEOs surround themselves with the best subject matter expert they can, CFO, human resources, operations, and so on. And that's smart. But are they a team? Because a team works together to help each other achieve the same goal. And quite often, SMEs, subject matter experts, don't work together very well. Instead, they're there to protect their team and bring their team to the goal, but not work with the other leaders as a team, which means take criticism, give criticism. And that environment is crucial and the responsibility of the CEO. That's a team.